I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Citroen DS3. First thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But over to the system, you see DS has already come up. I'll just click the menu so we can see what's going on here. But click on DS. It's now thinking about it. The screen's changed. If you want to accept pairing with Barry's iPhone 11, check that the following code is displayed above: 050402, 05042, yeah, pair, and also accept there. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't. I won't be using the car again, but you would, so you'd click yes, and that should be done. Let me see. I do have rather a lot paired here. Where's it gone? DS there connected.